Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to enhance colors in Photoshop and give details to your images in Photoshop. Sometimes the images does not have details and all the details has been lost. So in this video, we will make that details in Photoshop. So let's start the video. First of all, open Photoshop and import your image. As you can see this, there is no details in this image. All the details are being mixed with each other. So we will adjust it. First of all, press Ctrl J to make a copy of the background layer. Hide the background layer. Select this layer. Then blend this layer to the vivid light. Go to filter, then select other, then select high pass. Select OK. Make it fill about 50% and decrease its opacity. Now press Ctrl Shift T to merge the layers, then press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Then select the layer 1 and then press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. In the basics, scroll down and there is the clarity and dehaze. Now increase the clarity. And increase dehaze. As you can see this, it will add the highlights in your image. Go to highlights. Decrease its highlights. By increasing, it will merge all highlights. So decrease its volume and increase contrast. Decrease its exposure. Increase shadows. Decrease whites. And increase blacks. And select OK. This is the before and this is after. Now click here, make a gradient, click here, then select OK, select this, press OK, select the radial, increase its scale and then select OK, blend this to the multiply. OK. Click here, make a vibrance layer, then decrease its vibrance, increase saturation. Click here, Select brightness and contrast, decrease its brightness and increase the contrast. Hide the background layer, press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers. So this is the before and this is the after. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.